core principles and values of the exchange are based on 3 pillars. The exchange is ambitious. They promote inclusion and fairness. Now, the middle principle is that of financial inclusion, and that's especially for you women.
This program is the culmination of an effort that started as an idea conceptualized with the support of Women's World Banking.
And this is a program for regulators, those who are responsible for creating the enabling environment.
Market operators, specifically asset managers, need to dedicate a certain percentage of their PBT to driving financial education program.
So one thing I'm going to pose for you now is that you must question those biases. You must question those stereotypes. And when you start questioning them, then you begin to think about them and you begin to do something about them.
Higher income is just an enabler for financial security, it's not a guarantee. The guarantee is having a wealth creation mindset.
You can also look at stocks in terms of your risk appetite. There's some stocks that are good for income investments. You know, they pay dividends every year or every half year, as some banks do. You know, there's some stocks that are known for capital appreciation.
We at NGX Regulation, we are committed to investor protection and market integrity.
Out of that busy schedule, how do you craft that strategy? You need a strategy that is clear from the beginning. So I would say set a goal, be very disciplined with it, and follow it through. And if you are able to do that, at the end of the day, when you look back, you'll see that you've really achieved a lot.
Without financial literacy, we won't be able to even onboard everybody, men, women, into the financial sector.
Thank you for being a part of the EquipHER. Your contributions have made this transformative experience